March 26 from 7 to 9 a.m. It's Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. We're going international with the Love Locks experiment. Then it's all the way roots with Aishensi Mama and the Mama Warriors. Plus, hear what's happening on the reggae music scene with Jariah. That's Live Tuesday, March 26 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM with Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson. Live streaming on cool97fm.com. Brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, FX Trader, Key-Mix Audio, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This morning, we've got two dynamic groups bringing us their musical offerings, and we're going to start with the Love Locks Experiment. They're with us. They're an international Caribbean funk soul collective founded close to a decade ago. And they've created a unique sound from original music and added their own style to old favorites. Also with us is Aishensi Ma and the Mama Warriors, rooted in Trenchtown. Boy, Trenchtown, yes, big up to all of you. They bring to the stage the lyrics and spirit of reggae music, chanting for positive change, all while staying rooted to the ancestral sounds of voice and drum. And that's what they're bringing to the cool stage this morning. We look forward to that presentation. They're the ones with the big drum, aren't they, Yoshika? Oh, boy. All right, so this first segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by our kind sponsors, ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office to goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Key-Mix Audio, the mix is key for PA system and audio support. And heading to the cool stage now, the Love Locks Experiment.
To give you some good vibes, bring in some good lights for the youth down. Love, gratitude, balance, clarity, praises to the Most High. For I am because He is. Some say they see them walking up the street. They say we're going wrong to other people we meet, but we won't worry, we won't shed no tears. We'll find another way to wash away the fear forevermore. We'll be forever loving Jah. We'll be forever loving Jah. We'll be forever loving Jah. We'll be forever. We'll be forever loving Jah. That's why we give thanks. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude. I wake up in the rising and give thanks for the sun. I pour my libation 'cause I know she's done. I'm cleansing all the energy from my daily run. Vibrations are high, we grateful for life. I wake up in the rising and give thanks for the sun. I pour my libation 'cause I know she's done. I'm cleansing all the energy from my daily run. Vibrations are high, we grateful for life. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude.
Crackers on, I get my yoga on, got my gallon for the day.
Gallon for the
My
day.
libation, 'cause I'm feeling gracious, I'm thankful I shake.
Grateful I shade.
No, I'm feeling hella strong, stay grounded all day.
Grounded all
Almost
day.
flexing on them, these positive vibes, got them feeling the type of way. If it
Away.
don't serve, then I'm swerving. The new me make the enemy nervous. Don't chase fame, young God, chase purpose. The best way to change is to
Change on purpose.
Hell, we working, no hating, just coasting. Big plans, big goals, put it in motion. Stay focused, Lord. Blessings flow like the ocean. We artifacts like the artifacts stole. Superior confidence, no boasting. No coincidence, we chosen. Everything that I need is already in me.
Already in me.
Everything that I touch is reaching its peak. I'm grateful.
I wake up in the rising and give thanks for the
Give
sun.
thanks for the
I
sun.
pour my libation 'cause I know what she's done.
Lord, she's
I'm
done.
cleansing all the energy from my daily runs. Vibrations are high, we grateful for life. I wake up in the rising and give thanks for the sun. I pour my libation 'cause I know what she's done. I'm cleansing all the energy from my daily runs. Vibrations are high, we grateful for life. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my
attitude.
Today I rise in paradise, looking deep into your eyes, giving thanks to see this light. Universe is very kind. Blessings come to those who try. is right. Be grateful for the life you lead. Feed them model for the seed. Feed them knowledge, watch them grow. Give them tools, watch them sow. Get them truth, let them know. They will try to keep you cold. Underneath you are gold. Free your mind, free your soul. Yeah, I and I is one. Today I woke up, I will be focused. Say I and I is one. Today I wake up, the sleeping Jacob. I wake up in the rising and get thanks for the sun. I pour my libation, girls, I know she's dying. I'm cleansing all the energy from my daily runs. Vibrations are high, we grateful for life. I wake up in the rising and get thanks for the sun. I pour my libation, girls, I know she's dying. I'm cleansing all the energy from my daily runs. Vibrations are high, we grateful for life. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude. Gratitude, gratitude. Yo, that's my attitude. And what you do free, quietly becomes your free. One say what you do free, quietly becomes your free. One say what you do free, quietly becomes your free. One say what you do free, quietly becomes your free. One say so wake up in the rising, give thanks for the sun.
listen to Top Cool FM. Big up the world with positive vibrations, yes. Love Locks Experiment. Mama Warriors. Reggae music, you know, very powerful thing. Yes, you know, reggae music changed the world, you know. Positive vibrations. Make everything sound good. you can even sometimes take your own lyrics and put it on there, you know. You ever do that? You ever catch your groove, you know, and let the divine speak through you? It's a real thing, you know, man. Naturalonics. Show me what we're talking about.
Life is just a circle and the healing is higher. Got to band together, set the city on fire. Plant the seed and then proceed to water the soil. Let your light shine if you want it to grow. Life is just a circle and the healing is higher. Got to band together, set the system on fire. Plant the seed and then proceed to water the soil. Let your light shine if you want it to grow. Some of us we hurt every day, so hard to keep the pain maintained. Just got to push past the scars, never seems to go too far. Be careful of the words we say, let every interaction be love. Never take a heart in vain, never know whose mind we touch. Life is just a circle and the healing is higher. Got to band together, set the city on fire. Plant the seed and then proceed to water the soil. Let your light shine if you want it to grow. Life is just a circle and the healing is higher. Got to band together, set the system on fire. Plant the seed and then proceed to water the soil. Let your light shine if you want it to grow. The heart is just a vehicle transporting the soul. If you get the chance to drive the ship, live by the code. Love is in the frequency we need across the globe. Times may be hard, but we must remember the goal. It's just a circle and the healing is higher. Got to band together, set the city on fire. Plant the seed and then proceed to water the soil. Let your light shine if you want it to grow. Life is just a circle and the healing is higher. Got to band together, set the system on fire. Plant the seed and then proceed to water the soil. Let your light shine if you want it to grow. It's just a circle.
Lovelocks. Why that name?
Well, we when we put the band together about 7 years ago, we were looking for a name that really kind of exemplified what we were trying to do. And back then, we wasn't necessarily doing reggae per se, but just experiment with a lot of different genres. And so once we came into the foundation of reggae and decided that that's how we wanted to move forward, and then coupling that with funk and jazz and all those other things, we say, well, what's going to lock all of this together? Love locks it all together. So a lot of people, when they hear the name, they associate it with the hair, because all of us, a lot of us have locks in the band. But the reality of it is, it's love locking us together, so.
Wow.
Makes for a great conversation piece too.
It does. No, really, really nice. I like how you conceptualize the name. Yeah, very nice. Now, where are you based, and what brought you to Jamaica?
So the band is based out of Dayton, Ohio. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio. So the land of the funk, if you will. And what brought us to Jamaica is the influence, the liberty. The liberty here is so beautiful, and we come from a country where the liberty is a bit low. Natural foods are at an all-time low, so it makes it hard for the people back home to nourish themselves and such. And so in heights of looking to spread this message of love across the world, we decided we had to get out, and we had to go to the starting point of reggae music in order to do so, and to see and feel the energy in person. So it's such a beautiful thing, because the land is so powerful, and magical, and it recharges us. So it's also a beautiful recharge.
How long have you been here?
Since December.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Almost natives, almost.
Almost. Okay. Now, I like the fact that you're mixing several genres and you're going to come up with a sweet pot of music. So, what guides that blend for you? Right now, what are you using? What ingredients have you put in that pot?
So our band is made up of about 10 members, and we have a lot of different influences in the band. So versus it being like one thing driving it, we take the approach of everybody bringing their own flavor to the table, and then what's on the table we take and we make us a nice pot of something. So, for instance, this last project that we dropped in April is called Strange Fruit, and it's an EP, and it has 7 songs on there. And the way that we approach doing that is each person in the band brought a groove to the table, and from that groove we created that concept. We created songs out of. So some of them sounding like jazzy, some of them sounding reggae. We definitely got some funk in there, and we just find that niche that allows it all to blend together. And more so importantly, for me to keep the groundation in forefront, Bob said it's a funky reggae party. So funk and reggae go together as far as I'm concerned, so we just...
I like the fusion.
Yes,
And what was the impetus for starting this collective? Because you're not the typical kind of group.
Yes, I...
Mm-hmm.
Again, for me...
Do you
like,
have a musical background? Is it that you studied music in school or something like that?
No, I didn't per se, but I have... I started out as a poet, and then I moved into MCing or rapping, and then from there, wanting to expand my artistry from there, I picked up singing and the guitar. So those are like the last 2 things that I picked up. But just from like perspectives from an artist to a musician, or from a rapper to a musician to a poet, you're gonna get different approaches to music. You know what I'm saying? And if you study them from your own, experiences, then I guess I could say that I'm a student of it,
And for myself, I would say in particular with reggae, it's been in my family since I was a child. I grew up to reggae. I grew up in a Rasta Hebrew lifestyle growing up, so reggae is the only thing that was allowed to play in my household growing up. And just because of the message, my mother was really strong about message music. And my mother and my father were both musicians. My father was in the band. Actually had the opportunity to open up for like Black Uhuru, Frankie Paul, So my first time on the stage was like 10 years old, on the band, on the stage with my dad, and I'm just dancing and singing. And I feel like at that moment was like the moment where I was like, yeah, this is for me.
Do any of you have Jamaican roots?
I always say the roots is in my DNA, not biologically to the land, but the roots has been in my DNA since I was a young pygmy.
Okay.
Youth. And my children, they have Jamaican roots.
Oh, nice. Okay, now, let's see, what do I ask you next? Who inspires you in Jamaican music? You mentioned Bob, yes. Who else?
I would say Muda Baruka rang through my household. Luciano, Steel Post was really big in my household. Sizzler, Buju Banton, Taurus Riley, like reggae music just ran. So much music that sometimes I don't even know the names. I just know the music.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, for me, Stephen Marley is a big influence on me, based off of more so from the writing aspect, because I approach it more so from the writer's perspective. And Stephen Marley, the way that he's able to cross genres and still be authentically himself, and you always, even when it ain't him singing it, you can kind of suggest like. So I like that signature that Stephen brings to the table for sure.
Now, are you going to be on any events that the cool listeners just might pop up and see you there and remember that they heard you on Live Tuesday?
Yes, so this Saturday we are live in Trenchtown, Love Locks and the Moma Warriors. We have some special guest artists that's going to hit the stage. It's going to be a fire show, so make sure you come out to 6th Street in Trenchtown, right in front of Marcy's shop underneath the big tree. Y'all come and check out the live vibes.
Yeah,
What time is that?
6 p.m. 6 p.m. DJ Schoolboy Movements will be holding some music down, and we have a slew of artists that are going to come out and perform as well as us. So it's going to be a good time.
All right. So, thank you for being our guests on
Yes,
Cool 97 FM this morning.
Blessings.
Now, I've just got some back announcing to do where sponsors are concerned. Yoshiko, our producer for the show, will tell you what we do next. But in the interim, thanks, and you can say hi to all your followers on Instagram and the other platforms.
Yes, big up Tribe,
Yes,
Heart Dayton, and everyone back home, my family. We thank you for tuning in and listening. Much love.
Yes, I love Locks, keeping it cool on Cool FM.
And go check out their website, lovelocksex.com.
Yeah, man.
So you're inside a segment of Live Tuesday that's brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping. Their number 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alcavita alkaline drinking water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. This is Cool 97 FM. We continue with Live Tuesday.
Cool 97 Radio.
Ready? Anybody? All right, in fact. Yeah.
Love Locks. Man. Energy. Hop.
Energy, 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 energy. One love. Energy, hustle and motivate all over the world, bringing a new way. Energy, coming to regulate all over the world. It's time to elevate. Every rock star got a rock zone. We in Jamtown, Trench Town is a hot zone. Lioness on the rise, yeah, they hear it all around the world. Bossed up, make them feel it. Get with it, grow from it, learn how to heal. It's wise to forgive. Come together, let's build. We just want will generational optimum health is the goal. And if we make moves together, can't stop the empire. No energy, hustle and motivate all over the world, bringing a new way. Energy, coming to regulate all over the world.
has to be, must be, can't stop it. How long we gon' sit still while they steal profits? GMO, no blow, mind blow, honey, no bees, plant seeds, Johnny, no Cochran. I'ma get it poppin'. I-Town lifestyle is vital. We tapped in from Ohio to Trenchtown. Hustle up, cutty, nothing move but the money. Can't take this from me. Got this out the gully. Unity, a hard study. Let's build a mighty fist, brethren, my buddy. Don't fear no ducky. Stay ready, ain't gotta get ready. Gas pumped and my energy up. What's up?
This morning I rise with the love locks on the mama family. Rise for the world to see. And time has come again for us to be so strong. Strong, strong, strong. We can't go wrong. Hop there. Hey, hey. Feel me. Hop there. Hop there.
Every hummingbird singing a song. Traveling this world and it's far from home. Need that connection to keep me going. Pushing through the hardest storm. Every hummingbird singing this song.
Traveling this road and it's far from home. To keep me going.
Turn my energy
Xavier, him must gone. Black man time. No.
let you shine too bright. You'll be good, just misunderstood. Programs in the hood. you shine too bright. Black man, no, I love you, it's official. I ain't gonna be the one to dish you. I wanna see you make it. Got 3 kings on this pavement. They need you for more than just the basics. Try to better generations. No, it's all mine, ain't the greatest. We ain't got to focus on the latest trends. I can be your all, I'll be your greatest friend. Loving every shade of your melanin. Black man, you the best. You need to know that. Let me alleviate your stress. If I rule the world, you know I will free all my sons, and we will live in unison. Black man, black woman to the end. The only hero I'll ever need represent. Black man, black man. Black man, black man. You'll be good, just misunderstood. Programs in the hood, gotta get it out the mud. They don't let you shine your light. They don't let you shine too bright. You'll be good, just misunderstood. Programs in the hood, gotta get it out the mud. They don't let you shine your light. They don't let you shine too bright. It's a shame that your mama tore you down 'cause you're beautiful. Daddy wasn't around, that was pitiful. Oh, who held you down, that was strategy. They be glad to see another brother in the streets, locked and loaded so we can take away our kings. But we need you, let's feed you with good energy. You gon' break these chains, they gon' know your name. Made it out the struggle 'cause you're pushing through the rain. Black gossip, you're so godly, unstoppable. Tap in, what you need is inside of you. And when you realize the truth, you will be so powerful. You'll be good, misunderstood. Programs in the hood, gotta get it out the mud. They don't let you shine your light. They don't let you shine too bright. You'll be good, just misunderstood. Programs in the hood, gotta get it out the mud. They don't let you shine your light. They don't let you shine too bright. Black man, black man, talking to you, black man, black man.
Black man's time now.
Black man time. Black people time. Rastafari. Rise my people. No!
All right, we're breaking.
March 26 from 7 to 9 a.m. It's Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. We're going international with the Love Locks experiment. Then it's all the way roots with Aishensi Mama and the Mama Warriors. Plus, hear what's happening on the reggae music scene with Jariah. That's Live Tuesday, March 26 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM with Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson. Live streaming on cool97fm.com. Brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, FX Trader, Key-Mix Audio, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music. 26 from 7 to 9 a.m. It's Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. We're going international with the Love Locks experiment. Then it's all the way roots with Aishensi Mama and the Mama Warriors. Plus, hear what's happening on the reggae music scene with Jariah. That's Live Tuesday, March 26 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM with Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson. Live streaming on cool97fm.com. Brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, FX Trader, Key-Mix Audio, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock Up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange and PA system and audio support. Kindly provided this morning by Key-Mix Audio. The mix is key. On the live stage right now, we're turning to Aishensi Mall and the Mall Warriors. Aishensi Mall and the Mall Warriors. Okay, so tune in now. Remember, we're going all the way up to 9 o'clock this morning, and we intend to have a little chit-chat with them further down in the show so you get to know a bit more about them.
Greetings. And we are the Mama Warriors out of Trench Town. Mama! Worldwide. Welcome to Cool FM. Give thanks and praises unto the Most High. I walk through many communities. I fear no one, 'cause Jah is with me. Yes, in Jah's house I live forevermore, and of this I know, I am sure. 'Cause so many youths have gone astray. I wonder if them take time to pray. Them rob, kill, them fight and them fuss. Oh Jah, it's you we trust. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. In them mix up and them blem. Say, can't follow none of them. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. Mama! Everywhere I go, it's gunshots I hear. I have a family to feed, things to share. The seeds I sow for them I care, so hear me. So I can't think, move like them. I have to know my enemies from my friends. Please, Father, won't you hear me? Why? Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. In them mix up and them blem. No. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. We must heal for us. Why? Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. In them mix up and them blem. Say, we Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. In on them mix up on them blem blem. Say we can't follow none of them, no. You mustn't follow none of them, no. Can't follow none of them. We must heal for us. Give thanks. Give thanks. Yeah, 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 yeah. Growing up in Western Kingston, my mother would say to me, son, have manners to people, be on your best behavior, and you will see. As mama warriors today, I will go on my knees and pray, and people will say to me, youth, you come from good family, that's why them can't take job lessons from we. Them fi know that it rests up, jam up, dwell up inside of we. Can't take job lessons from we. Them fi know that it jam up, rest up, dwell up inside of we. That's why them can't take job lessons from we. Try know that it rests up, jam up, dwell up inside of we. Can't touch job lessons from we. Them know this. Right now, I can tell you this, under the divinity of His Imperial Majesty. The blessings are continually flowing. Can't take job blessings from we. Them fi know that sounds of Jah, eternally flowing. From we try know that from we right now, I can tell you this, under the divinity of His Imperial Majesty, from we a baby. Right now, turn adults, you will see the Mama family. Yes, we're treading hurt with the Love Locks family. Right now, we at Cool FM, you see. Mama! In the early morning, Cool FM.
KOOL.
And reminding you that you're inside of the program Mellow Morning. It's live Tuesday from 7 until 9 a.m. and we're inviting you to be a part of this morning's show by simply logging on to KOOL97fm.com, and once you're on the Cool website, you'll look for the tile that reads Live Tuesday. So that way you'll be able to see exactly what's happening here in studio as we stream this edition of Live Tuesday. To remind you, our sponsor of this segment is ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Stock your store with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515 and WhatsApp 876-802-4573. Performing for you on Live Tuesday, Aishant Simon and the Momo Warriors. So they're going to be taking us down to the half an hour, and then we'll get a chance to have a few words with them as we get to know them a bit better. And then don't forget, at 8:30 we go through the commercials for this segment. All right, so Live Tuesday continues with Cool 97 FM, and until we line up or act for the next few minutes, let me remind you. So this morning, the acts Love Locks Entertainment, Love Locks Experiment, they were with us. They performed first. And to remind you, they're an international Caribbean, what's happening here? An international Caribbean funk soul collective founded close to a decade ago. They've created a unique sound from original music and added their own style to old favorites. We also have, as I told you, Aishant Simon and the Momo Warriors. Rooted in Trenchtown, they bring to the stage the lyrics and spirit of reggae music, chanting for positive change, all while staying rooted to the ancestral sounds of voice and drum. And that's what they're bringing to Cool 97 FM this morning. Sponsors of the show, ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for courier, For auto, go to Gateway for auto, home goods, all things office to goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Key Mix Audio, the mix is key for PA system and audio support. And also to say thank you to Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Don't forget, ask about the vegan veggie balls at major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. We go back to our stage. I Shan't Simon and the Momo Warriors will take us down to 8:30.
Give thanks, Sister D. Mikey Thompson. Don't know. Your respect is so huge, not large. And I want to take time out to bless up Cool FM, you know, for being here for us, musicians and artists all over the world. This program is number one in my book and many other ones. I want to take this opportunity to bless up everyone in Jamaica, especially Trench Town, my hometown, my family, Sister Marcia, yes, Aishika, Cavell, Demisha, Amis, the whole entire family, yes, Sir D, everyone, Khalid, Kofi, and also the Lovelocks family out of Ohio. Yes, all their children, Carrie, Mari, and Shaka, and my two loving family friends. They're here with I, Onyx, and Jay. We are all we're testimonies to jazz and it works. Ooh. So we have no time to skylark, much less lurks. You should know. Think hard and let's all fulfill his plans. Ooh. Yes, we are the sheep and he's the shepherd of this land. We are children of the Most High. Every day we try. This is why I must will get by. We are children of the Most Every day we try. This is why I must will get by. Children of the Most High. Every day we try. This is why I people must get by. Ooh. Like babies, we go through many of their tests. Only to choose and let them know my people is the best. We We are children of the